Bonjour, my New Yorkers. Today we are in Las Vegas to visit the Hotel and Casino de Paris. To the left, we have the restaurant Mon Ami Gabi, which Jeff from New York considers mediocre. However, the view of the Bellagio fountains directly across the street is magnificent. The Hotel and Casino de Paris is owned by Caesars, who owns pretty much every hotel and casino on this side of the Las Vegas Strip. Coming up next on the left is X Kitchen and Bar. It is an all-day destination serving up, as you Americans would say, a boozy brunch and American cuisine with unmatched views of the Strip. Well, actually, they're the same views as Mon Ami Gabi, so they are matched. As you can see from the exterior of the hotel, they have the Eiffel Tower, the Arc de Triomphe, and a balloon. I don't know what the balloon does, but it says Paris on it, so it must be something French. Experience everything you love about Paris right in the heart of the Las Vegas Strip. At Paris Las Vegas Hotel and Casino, you are transported to the City of Lights with the same passion, excitement, and ambiance of Europe's most romantic city.
Hey, Pierre! I don't know what you think you're doing, but this is my channel. I'll take it from here.
Oh, you Americans. Au revoir.
Well, as Pierre said at the beginning of the video, Paris is owned by Caesars Entertainment, and Caesars pulled no qualms in letting everyone know that they're gonna dump one of their properties very soon on the Las Vegas Strip. I don't think it's this one. There's just so many changes going on here at the Paris Hotel and Casino, especially in the restaurant area, where old restaurants are being replaced by new ones. I don't think this is the property. I have my eye on Bally's as far as the property that they're looking to dump, and we'll find out eventually. A lot of things are closed in Bally's. Not too many places to even eat there anymore, and they're not being replaced. So I have a feeling that's going to be the hotel and casino they're going to dump, but we're going to find out for sure in the very near future. This statue coming up here is called the Aftermath, and the guy sweeping has a lot of selfies in his history. He was recently moved because of a vendor, but since then he's been moved back to his permanent location where he's been for years. The area we're in right now is called La Promenade here at the Paris Hotel and Casino, and there's lots of restaurants and lounges here in La Promenade, but there are restaurants and lounges throughout the entire Paris complex, including Beer Park, which is outside, Bobby's Burgers by Bobby Flay, Brioche by Guy Savoy, Cafe Americano, Cafe Belle Madeleine, the Eiffel Tower restaurant, which is halfway up that Eiffel Tower, which is outside, Gordon Ramsay Steak, Hex Kitchen and Bar, which we saw earlier in the video, JJ's Cafe, Le Crêperie, Mon Ami Gabi, Nobu Paris, and also a new restaurant coming very shortly here this spring is The Bedford by Martha Stewart. Designed by Martha herself, the Bedford by Martha Stewart draws inspiration from Martha's country farmhouse, where she brings the outdoors in. With 194 seats, the intimate restaurant will offer guests an authentic glimpse of how she lives and entertains in her own home. Now, I'll be in Las Vegas the end of March to beginning of April, and chances are, with my luck, I'll miss the opening of this place, but if it is open, I will certainly bring you guys there. Also coming very soon this winter, probably before Martha Stewart opens her joint, is Vanderpump à Paris, which features delectable dishes, whimsical and unique cocktails, and a lush, elaborate atmosphere with eclectic, Parisian-inspired design details. And of course, Lisa Vanderpump has another lounge across the street at Caesar's Palace. The wine list at this Vanderpump will reflect France with a vast variety of selections, as well as Vanderpump family's signature branded Rosé, Chardonnay, and Cabernet. Featuring reimagined Parisian classics as well as unique and decadent light bites, the Vanderpump menu will delight guests with its ingenuity, delicious flavors, and presentations. Sumptuous dessert cocktails will be the perfect ending to a meal or the beginning of an unforgettable night on the town. Now, I know this place should be open for my visit, and I promise you guys I will take you there with me. As I said, there is a lot of changes going on here at the Paris Hotel and Casino, and when I make my trip in a couple weeks to Las Vegas, this is one of the places that I'm dying to visit to see what's going on.
This is Mitzi the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video.
And a shout out to Jarvis Landry 14, who found Mitzi the Rubber Ducky Showgirl in my latest Las Vegas video, The Forum Shops at Caesar's Palace. Nice job, Jarvis Landry 14.
Pardon, je from New York. Have you told your subscribers that you've done a video from the top of the Eiffel Tower yet?
Pierre, please, I know what I'm doing. By the way, in case you didn't know, I have a video on the New York channel here from the top of the Eiffel Tower here at the Paris Hotel and Casino. Check it out. That video, by the way, takes you from an elevator from the ground floor, which is where we are now, all the way to the top. Fantastic views of the city and the Strip, and a fountain show from the Bellagio across the street from up above. And now we're coming upon Le Cabaret, one of my many favorite lounges here on the Las Vegas Strip. I don't know if I'm just easily amused or perhaps just a lush, but I've got lots of favorite lounges here on the Strip, and this is one of them. Great acts here at the Paris Hotel and Casino. Lots of changes here at the Paris Hotel and Casino. I can't wait for my next visit. What'd you think of the Paris Hotel and Casino? Leave a comment below.
Au revoir, mon ami.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.